Mein Name ist Tim Jansen. Ich bin
My
Professor
name is
und
Tim Jansen. I am a professor
Studienleiter
and head of the mechanical engineering program with a focus on production technology at the Baden-Württemberg Cooperative State University, Stuttgart. I discovered VR, virtual reality, many years ago during my doctorate at the TU Dortmund University, 16, 17 years ago. Even back then, I saw the potential behind this technology. In the meantime, VR has developed immensely. This means that the technology has become smaller, more manageable, and more user-friendly, so that it can be used easier in practice. Here at our campus in Horb, we carry out various projects using virtual reality, which means that, for example, learning scenarios are developed by students for other students. We regularly have student projects that deal with workplace ergonomics. We have a research project that deals with AI-based recognition of objects from point clouds, which are then visualized via a VR interface. And of course, we have a big topic with production planning, for which we have numerous VR projects. In my bachelor thesis, I designed a workstation. We wanted to test the workstation using cardboard engineering, whereupon my professor at the university said that cardboard engineering, as we do it with cardboard, is no longer up to date, and that we should try it out with virtual reality. So I created and tested a workstation with the help of VR. I particularly liked the ergonomics check, which allowed me to test and try out the workstation from the different perspectives.
Wir sind hier im Steinbeis Transfer.
We are here at the Steinbeis Transfer Center digital workspace, where we promote the transfer of knowledge between university and industry. Here we have the opportunity to show students the latest hardware and to carry out projects in cooperation with companies to introduce them to virtual reality and its possibilities.